Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I make elderberry syrup. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. 3/4 cup of dried elderberries, about 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, 6 cups of water, 2/3 cup of raw honey, and your optional ingredients include 2 tablespoons of star anise and clove buds. As you can see, elderberry syrup is really simple to make, and it's a lot cheaper too if you make it yourself. It has definitely become a staple in our family, especially in the fall and winter months. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.